Hey everyone, this is a food crazy quick shot video on how to make restaurant style scallop Caesar salad. Everything here is homemade, and what I've done, I've created short step-by-step videos on the homemade sauce, how to make the bacon bits, and the seared scallops. I'm going to put links into the description, and I'm also going to put them on the end screen. So let's get started. So we got the romaine washed up nicely. Now what we want to do is we're going to spin this so we have the lettuce very dry. You want it very dry for when you put it in salad. So I'm just going to cut this in half. Make it easier to put in the spinner. Simply going to take the romaine, put it in, and we're going to spin it. So we have the romaine spun. Just going to dry it off a bit more with this paper towel. So now that it's all dry, we're going to cut it up and get it ready for the Caesar salad. I like my romaine cut up nice and fine. It's easier to eat when you put it all together and serve it. So I'm going to line up the romaine and cut it in nice small pieces. So I have the romaine cut up nice and small, just the way I like it. Now it's time to put this scallop Caesar salad together. Okay, so we're ready to put this restaurant style scallop Caesar salad together. I have the cheese ready. I have the seared scallops. I have the homemade bacon bits, homemade croutons, and I also have, which is very delicious and awesome, homemade Caesar dressing. Now the homemade Caesar dressing, croutons, bacon bits, and scallops, I have quick shot videos to all of them, and I'll put them on the end screen or put a link to them in the description so you can have access to all of these and you can make them if you choose to. Do me one favor, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we're going to put this together. Alright, so I have enough romaine to make one really large Caesar salad. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add the sauce. I'm going to put 2 generous scoops and go from there. I like a fair amount of sauce, but you can add this to taste. Start off less, you can always add more. And if something happens you are to add too much sauce, hopefully you have some more romaine and you can add some more romaine. So let's toss this together really good. Still not enough sauce for me. I'm going to add another 1.5. Okay, so now I have enough sauce on it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the bacon bits. Good generous amount of bacon bits. Tastes awesome. This Parmesan cheese, I like taking a metal strainer and straining the Parmesan through it. That way it makes it nice and fine. So I'm going to add about half of the amount I got in there to this. The rest I'm going to put it over the top. I'm going to give that a little mix. Now I'm going to add the amount of croutons I want. We'll mix that up. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper for taste. Give it one more quick mix. Isn't that looking good? Alright, so we're going to pile this up in a bowl. Oh, that looks really tasty. So now what I'm going to do is take the pan-fried seared scallops, nestle them into the salad. Oh, nice large scallops. Put one on the top. And here. Let's put some more bacon over it. That'll be good. Yeah. Awesome. Gotta like bacon. Yes, that's good. I'm going to take the processed Parmesan, sprinkle it over it a little. Now we're going to take the Parmesan cheese and we're going to grate some over it. All around it. Yeah, that's beautiful. Alright, now that's all left to do to that is taste that. Doesn't that look restaurant style and beautiful and delicious? Alright, so all that's left to do is to try this bad boy. It looks very delicious. Not sure if I said this. If I did, I'm going to repeat it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And let's dig in. I'm going to cut the scallop in half. Oh, look at that. That's done perfect. And we're going to get We're gonna have to get a little bit of Caesar salad, crouton, or let's get a piece of scallop. Get a crouton on there. We're gonna get all the flavors. Mmm. Yes. That homemade Caesar dressing, beautiful. Can't say enough. But the way the scallops go with the dressing and the Caesar salad, it's a must try. Have a good day, and please watch more of my videos.